Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 4th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, Another wild day today. I'm showing you the Dow here. Um, Dow had a real good day, opened up, never really pulled back at all, and then a push right at the end there, closing near its high. And the Dow closes up 332 points and decidedly over 31,000. So Dow had a great day. Well, we had a great day too. Um, the statistics are we closed out all our positions today with profits of $130,000. That is correct. We closed out positive $133,000 or $130,000. So we have had back-to-back days. Yesterday we closed out 133,000. Today we closed out 130,000. This is due to we had two back-to-back outliers. These new type of stocks that I have deliberately put into our portfolio, and I'm expecting to see more of them. And obviously we're enjoying just wild profits when you stop and think that those their last 2 days we've made like $270,000, something like that. Maybe 265,000. My math is a little bit shaky sometimes. Anyway, a lot of money in a very short period of time. We did get into 13 positions today, however, and 4 of them are positive, 9 are negative, and we are negative almost $18,000 going into tomorrow. Keep in mind that if we've made $260,000 in the last 2 days, we're not threatened by holding $18,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. I want to skip to only one stock that I'm going to show you to discuss in a little more detail the dynamics that I think are going on here. In this stock I'm showing you here is, of course, CPSH, which is CPS Technologies Corporation. We had bought this thing yesterday at I'm kind of eyeballing it, about $12, and it had gone to a high this morning to almost, looks like almost $30. So that's quite a run up, from $12 to $30. We did a lot of messing around with this today. Here's the dynamic I want to make you aware of. This is another GameStop, okay? And Sava yesterday was another GameStop too. And it's a reason that I have these GameStop potential stocks in the portfolio that we're hitting these huge profits. I mean, the money we can make in a short period of time in these stocks is just phenomenal. And we did it again today in CPS Technologies because we closed this thing out today with $111,000 in profits just in this stock. However, this morning, this thing, it was way up in the pre-market, and then it opened up and it looked like it was going to the moon right here. That's the fourth bar of the day. So we're like 45 minutes into the day is where we are on this bar right here. At this point, this is this GameStop situation. We have all the small investors on the long side here, and they are forcing the hedge funds managers to cover their shorts en masse, and this short squeeze is causing this thing to skyrocket. On this fourth bar, it looked like the hedge fund managers were about to die, and is what happened this morning, and we'll see this happen again and again. The exchange comes in and rescues the hedge fund managers. The exchanges are not on the side of the small investors, and they called a trading halt on this bar just when we were about to slay the dragon, so to speak. And I don't know if just how long that was, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It seemed like a long time because I was waiting, and they managed to get together and hold the line on this stock, and the result is this thing pulled back a little, and we were essentially stopped out here, but stopped out with $111,000 in profit. But then there's still enormous pressure on this thing. It went up just enough to get us re-entered, and then it trailed off a little here. It doesn't look very much on the chart, but actually that's a $10,000 open trade loss for us. Okay, now that's normally a significant loss. It's not a significant loss when we just made $111,000 on our exit here. I am of the opinion that CPS Technologies Corporation never sold off today at all. It's holding up very well, and it could, I'm not promising anything, but it could take off to the top side again tomorrow. So we could still make a lot of money on this, but even if we don't, this isn't going to take back the $111,000 that we made today. So this is just a game we got to play. It's us versus the hedge funds managers and the exchanges who will call trading halts to protect the hedge fund managers. That's the name of the game. We're going to see more of this because I've packed the portfolio with stocks which all have a potential to do this. All right. So we had a good day. We have had, as I say, we made $260,000 the last 2 days, and it's only the 4th day of February. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.